Hi, it's Mikhail. I hope you're doing well today. We're going to compare the Combi sheath and a PHONIC sheath. I hope that after this video, you'll have made your choice for your sheath. Here we go. Let's go. We start with the Combi sleeve. It's very well known. Here we have an aluminum inner lining and a black vinyl outer lining. The black vinyl will prevent you from having tears on your sleeve. Let's imagine by misfortune that you have a hole in your sleeve. Air will no longer be filtered by the charcoal filter, but will pass directly through the hole in the sleeve, so no smell will be filtered. To obtain good air tightness, don't hesitate to use clamps for your duct, your charcoal filter, or your extractor. The problem with this duct is the noise. If you put it in your dining room, your bedroom, or in your flat, it's likely to disturb you. So, we will move on to the next product. Let's get down to the nitty gritty. The Trap acoustic liner will reduce noise pollution by 50% compared to the Combi liner. Thanks to these overlays here, we have the microporous inner fabric, which will reduce prices. Then we have the wadding, which comes from sustainable development, and everything else is exactly the same as the Combi liner. And all of this will reduce all the harmful noise. These two ducts are available in several sizes and in several diameters, and in addition to that, they are both waterproof. Now the most important part of the test, does the PHONIC duct actually really make less noise than the Combi duct? We made this test beforehand, and so I'll let you listen to that now. I hope that this comparative video of the two sheets has been satisfying. If you want to benefit from other experiments like this one in real life, do not hesitate to come see us in our shop in the Mangrove near Nancy. And with that, I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to press the blue thumb, drop a comment, and activate the bell. Ciao!